Hello, my dear children. A very warm welcome to your English class. By now, I think you must have seen the previous videos which I have posted on this poem, Alphabet Song. This is a very interesting poem. You have already learnt all the alphabets, but today we will again revise this poem, Alphabet Song. Then we will do some spell words and then we will do the word meanings. We will revise the entire poem and its exercises once again today. Okay? So the poem goes like, and I hope you have also learned the poem. You have learned the poem in your own way, or you can also recite the way I have recited. Okay? I have tried to recite the poem in 2-3 ways. You can learn in the same way, or you can learn the poem in your own way also. Now the poem goes like, A, B, C, D, E, the school is the best place for me. F, G, H, I, J, we will learn and play all day. K, L, M, N, O, reading, writing, here we go. P, Q, R, S, T, let us be friends, you and me. U, V, W, X, Y, Z, learning is fun, let us go ahead. And in this poem, the poet is the person who writes the poem. Okay? So in this poem, the poet says that the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J until Z, all the letters, the entire alphabet, they say that the school is the best place for me. Okay? And this is from the child's point of view. Okay? The poet says that the child says that the school is the best place for me. मतलब इस पोएम में जिसने पोएम लिखी है उसको पोएट बोलते हैं. वो कह रहा है here A, B, C, D, E, that means A to Z, all the letters, they are considered as the children. यहाँ पे जितने भी letters है, all the alphabets, they are considered as children. So each and every letter says, all the alphabet says that school is the best place for me. That means सारे letters कहते हैं कि school जो है वो मेरे लिए सबसे अच्छी जगह है. Why? क्यों सबसे अच्छी जगह है? Because we will learn and play all day. यहाँ पे हम बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं and सारे दिन हम खेलते हैं, सीखते हैं, खेलते हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें करते हैं. And what else? What do we learn? हम क्या क्या सीखते हैं? We learn to read, we learn to write. Then, and apart from reading and writing, we learn so many other things also. So, this is the best place to make new friends. Let us be friends, you and me. That means सारे हम चलो सारे friends बन जाएं. ओके, लेट अस बी फ्रेंड्स, यू एंड मी, हम दोनों, हम लोग, सब लोग फ्रेंड्स बन जाते हैं. एंड साथ साथ हम पढ़ेंगे भी एंड वी विल लर्न समथिंग मोर ऑल्सो. ओके, सो दिस इज द पोएम एंड इन दिस पोएम नाउ वी विल डू सम प्रोनाउंसिएशन ड्रिल. मतलब किसी वर्ड को हम कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं. सो आई विल रिपीट द वर्ड, I will read the word aloud. मैं word पढ़ूंगी and then you have to repeat the word after me in the same way. किसी भी word को कैसे pronounce करते हैं, that is known as pronunciation drill. मैं word को pronounce करूंगी and उसके बाद आप उसको pronounce करोगे. And then I will do some word meanings. I will tell you the meanings of some words. Okay? So all the children say that the school is the best place for all the students. because it is the place where you learn so many things, you have fun, and you explore yourself. Explore yourself means आप कितना कुछ जानते हो, आपको पता चलता है कि आप कितना कुछ कर सकते हो, क्या क्या कर सकते हो. ओके, द चिल्ड्रन से दैट we are going to learn and play all day. We have learned so many things. Now we are going to learn new things and we move ahead. Okay, so इस छोटी सी पोएम में अल्फ़ाबेट्स के थ्रू ये बताया है. Now we will do, as I told you, we will do the pronunciation drill. Like the word school. How do you pronounce it? SCHOOL. School. Say school. You do not say इसको हम स्कूल नहीं बोलते हैं. बहुत सारे लोग इसको, बहुत सारे बच्चे स्कूल बोलते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट स्कूल, इट इज़ स्कूल. जैसे आधा स का जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है स्कूल. ओके, सो दिस इज SCHOOL. स्कूल, नॉट स्कूल. स्कूल नहीं बोलोगे, इट इज़ स्कूल. द स्कूल इज़ द बेस्ट प्लेस फॉर मी, नॉट द स्कूल. ओके, इसको आप बोलोगे. नाउ रिपीट आफ्टर मी. स्कूल, SCHOOL. स्कूल. ओके, स्कूल इज़ द बेस्ट. बेस्ट मीन्स सबसे अच्छा. बेस्ट मीन्स सबसे अच्छी जगह. द स्कूल इज़ द बेस्ट प्लेस फॉर मी, मतलब हमारे लिए स्कूल सबसे अच्छी जगह है. सो बेस्ट मीन्स सबसे अच्छा. प्लेस मीन्स जगह. बेस्ट प्लेस फॉर मी, यहाँ पे मी मतलब ऑल द अल्फ़ाबेट्स. ओके, ऑल द अल्फ़ाबेट्स आर ऑल द लेटर्स. दैट मीन्स द एंटायर सेट ऑफ लेटर्स, द अल्फ़ाबेट्स, they are considered as children. So school is the best place for me. Best means सबसे अच्छी जगह. PLACE, place मतलब जगह. We will learn and play all day. LEARN, learn. LEARN, learn. Repeat after me. LEARN, learn. Learn means सीखना. We will learn and play. PLAY, play. Play means खेलना. यहाँ पर हम सारा दिन सीखेंगे और खेलेंगे. Learn is सीखना. Then reading, writing. READING, reading. READING, reading. Reading means पढ़ना. READ, read. Read means पढ़ना. WRITING, writing. Writing means लिखना. Reading is पढ़ना. Writing is लिखना. Let us be friends, you and me. Let us. Us मतलब हम. Okay, us means all the letters. Let us means all the letters. Let us be friends. FRIENDS. Friends means दोस्त. Let us be friends, you and me. मतलब चलो हम सारे मिल करके फ्रेंड्स हो जाते हैं. सो यू एस अस. अस मतलब हम लोग. एंड फ्रेंड्स, फ्रेंड्स मीन्स दोस्त. लर्निंग इज़ फन. LEARNING, लर्निंग. लर्निंग जैसे मैंने बताया था, लर्न मीन्स सीखना. सो लर्निंग इज़ फन. लेट अस गो अहेड. फन मीन्स FUN, फन. फन मीन्स मज़ा. लर्निंग इज़ फन. कोई भी नई चीज़ सीखने में मज़ा आता है ना. सो लर्निंग इज़ फन. लेट अस गो अहेड. AHEAD, अहेड. अहेड मीन्स आगे बढ़ना. AHEAD, अहेड. अहेड मीन्स टू मूव अहेड, मतलब आगे बढ़ना. ओके, सो दीज are some of the words which may be new for you. So how do we pronounce those words and what is the meaning? अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि इन वर्ड्स को हम कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते हैं एंड उनका मीनिंग क्या है. Now this is the exercise. Match the capital letter with their small letters. This I have already explained. Then out of 26 alphabets, we all know that 5 alphabets are vowels and rest are consonants. So those 5 alphabets, 5 letters which are vowels are known as 5 friends. Okay, we call them famous 5 friends. What do we call them? We call them famous 5 friends. Okay, these are A, E, I, O, U. They are known as vowels and rest are consonants. Okay, so I will revise the grammar glee once again. Where do we use A and where do we use an? We all know that there are 26 letters in English alphabets. By now this is clear to everyone कि English alphabet में कितने letters होते हैं? 26 letters. And these 26 letters, that is alphabets, as the entire set of 26 letters is known as alphabet. Okay, so alphabets are divided into two parts, vowels and consonants. जो 26 alphabets हैं उनको हम कितने parts में divide करते हैं? 2 parts में, vowels and consonants. So out of these 26 letters, 5 letters are vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. And B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These 21 letters are consonants. Okay. Now the question is, there are so many words, and when the words are single, when anything is 1 in number, we either use A or an before the words. कोई भी चीज़, whether it is a person, any place, anything, any animal, any bird, कोई भी चीज़ अगर 1 है नंबर में, then what do we use? A or an? How do we decide this? ये हमको कैसे पता चलता है कि किस वर्ड के साथ A यूज़ करना है and किस वर्ड के साथ an यूज़ करना है? Okay, we use A or an when we are talking about only one person, any one place, or any one animal, or anything which is 1 in number. If it is more than 1, then we do not use A or an. A and an are used when you mean only one of something. कोई भी चीज़, any bird, any animal, कोई bird है, animal है, कोई चीज़ है, कोई person है, कोई place है. जब हम when we talk of only one, then we use A or an. Like we say a hat, we do not say a hats. Since hat, that means it is 1 in number, so we will use either A or an. If it is hats, then we will not use A or an. Okay, so in this exercise we will see that how do we decide whether to use A or an before the word. इस लेसन में हम देखते हैं कि हमको A यूज़ करना है कि an यूज़ करना है किसी भी वर्ड के आगे. ओके, So the words which start with consonant, any word which start with consonant, we use a before them. Okay, कोई भी वर्ड जो कि कॉन्सोनेंट से स्टार्ट होता है उसके आगे हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? उसके आगे हम ए यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बुक, the first alphabet, the first letter of the word book is B. So B is a consonant. B क्या है? B consonant है. तो उसके पहले हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? We will use A. We say a book. We do not say an book. We say a book. Cap. The first letter of the word cap is C. What is the first letter? The first letter is C. So, C, let us C-A-P. First letter is C. So, what do we use? C is a consonant. So, we use A before cap. A cap. We'll take another example. Van. Okay. The first alphabet of the word van is V. V is a consonant. So what do we use before van? We use a van. So any word which begin with a consonant. If the first letter of any word is consonant, then we use A. Okay? So like a hat, a butterfly, a cap, a hut. H-U-T, hut. The first letter is H, which is a consonant. So we use A. Okay? So we use A when the first letter of any word is a consonant. अगर first letter किसी भी word का consonant है तो हम क्या use करेंगे? A. Now, an is used when the first alphabet of the word is a vowel. Okay, so with the word which start with a consonant, we are using A. So where do we use an? An हम कहाँ use करेंगे? जो word consonant से start होते हैं उनके साथ हमने A use किया, तो हम an कहाँ use करेंगे? We use an before the words which begin with a vowel. Okay, the words which begin with a vowel, we put an before those words. Okay, if the first letter of any word is a vowel, then we use an. For example, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Now the word eagle starts with E. The first letter of the word eagle is E, which is a vowel. So what do we use? We use an before eagle. An eagle. Okay. We have to see the sound. A. With the sound is clear. A. Okay. E. Eagle. Ant. A-N-T. Ant. The first letter is a vowel. So we use an. An ant. We do not say a ant. We say an ant. It is the sound of A. Ant. Eagle. Okay. Eagle. Sound of E. Ice cream. Sound of I. Owl. So, sound of O. U. Umbrella. And umbrella. So the words which begin with a vowel, if the first letter of any word is a vowel, then we use an. And you have to keep in mind that A or an, they are used when we talk of only one thing. Okay, you have to keep in mind that A or an is used only when we are talking about only one person, any one thing, one animal, one bird, any of one thing. It has to be only one in number. Then only we use a or an. एक ही सिर्फ जब हम किसी एक चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं, then only we say we use a or an. Okay? For example, a fan. If it is fans, that means it is more than one. Any word having s or es, that means it is more than one. In that case, we do not use a or an. अगर one से ज़्यादा है, then we do not use a or an. A fan, an egg, a hat, a mat, an umbrella. Okay, if it is a star, if it is stars, then we do not say a or an. Then it becomes the stars. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that a or an is used only with singular countable nouns. Singular countable nouns means only one which we can count. जिन चीज़ों को हम काउंट कर सकते हैं, हम सिर्फ उनके साथ a और an यूज़ करते हैं. If we cannot count something, then we do not say a or an. We do not say a rice. We do not say a milk. We do not say a dal, a pulse, because these cannot be counted. Okay? Now we will do the exercise. The exercise I have already done. I will do it once again in case you have not seen the previous video. In this, what we have to do is, you have to draw a green color line joining the words using a before them, and blue line for the words using and before them. The words where we are using a, we have to draw green line, and the words which use and before them, we have to use blue line. So let us choose blue line first. And now an apple, this apple, the word apple begins with a vowel, therefore we will use and before this, and we will draw a blue line. And arrow, arrow again starts with a, which is a vowel, so we will join it with an. Then lion, it is not a vowel. Ostrich, an ostrich, o is a vowel, the first alphabet, here also the first alphabet, here also the first alphabet. So an ostrich. Then an elephant, e is a vowel. Then swing, s is not a vowel. An igloo, igloo, I is a vowel, so an igloo. Table, t is not a vowel. Umbrella, u is a vowel, so we will draw a blue line. Then egg, first alphabet is a vowel, so we will draw a blue line. And egg. Now rest of the words begin with a consonant, so we will use green line. A kite, a lion, a swing, a table. Okay, so these are the words. So this is a very small exercise. Now next is word building. Building का मतलब होता है building. Building means बनाना. Word building means you have to make the word, you have to complete the word. In all the words you can see that there is a blank in between. सारे words के बीच में क्या है? एक blank है. You have to fill in the vowel to complete the word. This exercise, word building, improves your vocabulary. Vocabulary का मतलब होता है जो आपको words आते हैं. Through word building, you learn new words. Word building से आप क्या सीखते हो? आप नए नए words सीखते हो. आपकी vocabulary जो है और improve होती है. Okay? So here we have to fill in vowels only to complete the words. But you have to keep one thing in mind, that these words have come in the poem also. So you have to complete the word according to poem. Now first is BST. This is BEST. The school is the best place for me. DY. There's a blank in between. This DAY. We learn and play all day. Then this is F and N. This is FUN. Fun. Fun means maza. Then PLAY. We learn and play all day. Then SCHOOL. School. School is the best place for me. And next is FR. This is FRI and E. Then NDS, friends. Okay? And the next exercise is fill in the vowels to make more new words. Here in this exercise, you can fill in with any vowel. आप कोई भी vowel भर सकते हो. Like I told you, this is B, then blank, double L. Out of 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, you can fill it with B, A, double L, ball. Then you can fill E also, B, E, double L, bell. Bell means ghanti. B, U, double L, bull. Bull, जिसको हिंदी में बैल बोलते हैं, bull. Then B, I also, B, I, double L, bill. When you go to the market, you buy something, you get a bill. आपको shopkeeper bill देता है ना, then you pay the money. So out of 5 vowels, you can complete the word using any 4 of these vowels. 5 vowels में से आप कोई भी एक vowel भर के ये word complete कर सकते हो. Okay? With some words, you can complete the word with more than one vowel. There are some words where you can fill just one vowel. Okay? Now next is CTY. It cannot be CATY. This is CITY. City. City means शहर. Okay? Here you cannot use any other vowel, like CATY is no word. CETY, no word. COTY, CUTY. Okay? So the only vowel is CITY, city. Third is BRD. So, BARD, it is no word. BERD, it is no word. BIRD. Okay? Here you can fill only one vowel, BIRD. Then this word would be, can you suggest me? JAMP is no word. JEMP is no word. JIMP is no word. JOMP is no word. This is JUMP, jump. Okay? This is WET, wet. This would be CROW, crow. Then BABY, baby. BODY, body. Then this is DESK, desk. And this is MOTHER, mother. Okay? So this is the exercise. In this way, you can make many more words by filling in vowel or consonants. Okay? The next exercise is talk time. That means how can you improve the way you talk? So here we always use please when we request someone for following request. जब हमको किसी से कुछ मांगना होता है, कुछ चाहिए होता है, तो we always use please. किसी से कोई भी रिक्वेस्ट करना है, कुछ आपको सामान चाहिए, किसी से कोई रिक्वेस्ट करना है, then we always use please. Please give me a storybook. Please shut the door. Please come inside. Please be quick. Teachers say in the class na, children, please be quick. Jaldi jaldi kaam karo. Please hold my bag. So when we make any request, we use please. This is a proper way of talking. आप ये भी बोल सकते हो, मुझे पेंसिल दे दो, give me a pencil. But that is not the proper way. जब आप किसी से रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, especially when you are asking for something, you should always use please. So okay children, so this poem is over. I hope you enjoyed reciting the poem and you enjoyed doing the exercises also. In my next video, I will start lesson number 1. Okay, so that's all for this video children. Thank you so much.